day to all. It is an honor and a privilege to stand before you today as the head boy of this renowned institution. As we come together on this special occasion, I am reminded of the journey that has brought us all together. Today is 5th June 2023. We celebrate the Inception Day, a momentous milestone in the history of our school. We celebrate the Inception Day to reminisce and honor its establishment. It's the day we first set foot within this hallowed hall, eager and filled with hope for the future.
Today, we will be discussing about the G20 Leaders Summit 2023. This remarkable event will be held at New Delhi on September 9 and 10. The Group of 20 or G20 is the premier intergovernmental forum for international economic cooperation.
Let us now see the agendas and the outcomes of the G20 Summit 2023 held in India. 2023 summit is still being finalized, but it is expected to focus on the following issues: the global economic recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, climate change and sustainable development, food security and nutrition.
The 18th G20 summit in New Delhi will be a culmination of all the G20 processes and meetings held throughout the year among ministers, senior officials, and civil societies.
ఆశలలో లెస్సైనది శ్రీనాథు కలమున కావ్యమై